Hello and welcome back to the Daily Tagalog. In today's lesson, we'll learn how to greet someone throughout the day in Tagalog. To say good morning, we say Magandang Umaga. Magandang Umaga. Maganda means beautiful. Umaga means morning. So together, Magandang Umaga means beautiful morning, which we use as good morning. Repeat after me. Magandang Umaga. Magandang Umaga. To say good afternoon, we say Magandang Hapon. Magandang Hapon. Hapon means afternoon. So, Magandang Hapon is good afternoon. Say it with me. Magandang Hapon. Magandang Hapon. To say good evening, we say Magandang Gabi. Magandang Gabi. Gabi means evening. So, Magandang Gabi means good evening. Try it now. Magandang Gabi. Magandang Gabi. Now, let's practice together. I'll say each phrase, then you repeat it after me. Ready? Magandang Umaga. Your turn. Magandang Hapon. Now you say it. Magandang Gabi. Repeat it with confidence. Let's say them again one more time. Magandang Umaga. Magandang Hapon. Magandang Gabi. Great job! Greet someone the Filipino way with these simple phrases. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Tagalog lessons here on the Daily Tagalog. See you next time!